In order for a program to be holistic now, let's talk about some of the other components. Food becomes a really important component. So I see a lot about gourmet food or chef on site or organic. And again, all great, but let's talk about food as medicine. There's a very strong correlation between the gut and the brain. There is a very strong correlation between mental health issues, the gut, and the things that we put in our bodies. So to that end, we not only know where our food is sourced, most of it comes from our own garden. So we are growing and harvesting several hundred pounds of food every single week. It's all organically grown. The vegetables that we can't grow, we know where they come from. They are all organic. The soil, microbes in the soil, the meats that we get are all locally sourced. We know where these animals live and how they were treated during their life. That becomes really important because if an animal is stressed or if it's loaded with hormones or antibiotics or eating those kinds of things, that's going to be in the meat. That affects our mental health. So food for us is a passion. In addition, the way we eat our food, our staff and clients eat together every single day. We have a beautiful share at dinner time between staff and clients, and people rave about it. It's like a healthy family system that many people didn't have. And that's our dinner time because how we eat our food affects how we digest our food. How we digest our food affects every single thing in our lives because food turns into energy. We have 3 chefs that are here. Their passion is food. So this goes so far beyond the organic thing. And all that combined, it tastes great. And not only that, we're going to teach you how to make it because we have nutrition class every single week because we need to understand the value of food and how it's great to go to treatment and be served food, but how am I going to do this at home? We help you to do that. If we can't take this stuff with you, what good is it? We have a very powerful supplement protocol. Let's talk about that, how now we augment. So the supplements, because we need to repair the brain. A lot of brain damage, not only environmental toxins, but the things that we're putting in our bodies, pharmaceuticals included in that, the toxic food. So we need to detox and repair our brains, so we put everybody on a very specific brain protocol. The people that guided us to develop our food and supplement program, David Perlmutter and Mark Hyman. These are both functional medicine doctors. They're both very well known. You can Google them. There's a video of me talking with Dr. Perlmutter about his latest book right on our front homepage here somewhere. And these are not just books that we have read. These are people that have quarterbacked us, that have mentored us, that have been direct influence over the sanctuary food and supplement protocol. And we call them, ask them questions. I don't know what else to say than that. So basically our food and supplement program comes on the sound latest science.